Ensure that the compressor is shut down in accordance with the safety procedure before performing this procedure. Loosen the flexible control air hoses on the discharge valve. This will be under full pressure, so you need to release carefully by loosening one control air hose. Make sure all pressure is released before continuing the procedure. Loosen the clamp on the output tube connected to the valve. And the bolts in the valve frame. Then lift out the tube. Replace the air control connector with a hex socket screw to prevent the valve from coming apart and to release the spring tension. Loosen the 3 hex bolts and fasteners. Lift out the discharge valve. Lift out the remaining plate and the bottom piece.